Hi guys, welcome back. We're unboxing something new today. Not really directly motorcycle related. Pero alam niyo naman 'di ba na I discussed already my my thing with watches. Mahilig ako mag-collect ng watches. So, I finally got the Casio Manga. Ang hirap makuha nito. Ang hirap. So let's open it up. And while we're opening it up, when did this start? Around May of this year, they announced this. Or was it even earlier? Basta around May. And then while I was browsing through one of the shops that I visit in Hong Kong, nag-announce sila na meron sila. Philippines kasi parang never sila nag-announce that they will be having anything. Tapos sabi pa, it's going to be a limited release na item. So ang nakita ko was who were pre-selling it. The pre-selling for reservation was all abroad. You can order from Japan websites. You can order from yun nga yung store sa Hong Kong. Pero yung sa Japan, actually maganda yung price eh. It was retail price. Tapos yung, parang alam ko, the retail price was around 10,000 or even below. Tapos sa Hong Kong, since he had to get it from Japan to sell it in Hong Kong, kaya medyo mas mahal. So it came out to around 13,000. Nag-hesitate pa ako eh, kasi sabi ko, kailan ba ako pupunta ng Hong Kong? Nakabalik na kasi yata kami from my trip to Hong Kong with my daughter. So sabi ko, next na punta, I think it was my wife, they were going last month. It was, I think, July na when they were going. So, and then one of the resellers here in Manila suddenly offered na meron siya. So, I messaged him kaagad. Sabi ko, available ba? Sabi niya, hindi. That was May. Sabi niya, meron, pero sa June ang dating. Sabi ko, sige, no problem. Magkano ang down payment? Magkano pala muna yung watch? Sabi niya, hindi, 8,500 lang. So sabi ko, what? 8,500? Sobra namang mura. So sabi ko, okay. Reserve na ako na isa. So sabi niya, sir, pero kailangan mag-down. So okay, I place a down na 3,500 para pagdating ng watch, 5,000 na lang babayaran ko. So, June came, wala. So sabi ko, hindi. Malamang na delay yon. So, I waited till around July nung nag-message ako. Uy, may kasamang pang free na Casio G-Shock eraser. Here are the receipts. Ayan. The exact model pala is GA2100MNG. MNG most likely stands for manga. And the color that I got is the 2ADR, which is the blue one. I'll be showing you. Yeah, so dito yung receipt. This is the warranty card. And then comes with your Casio paper bag. Okay. So yun nga, 8,500. So nireserve ko. Tapos by mga July, nag-follow up ako. Saka lang niya sinabi, ay sir, unfortunately, hindi na daw matutuloy yung mga orders. I don't know kung what was the exact reason, pero parang sabi niya parang hindi na daw siya makakakuha ng stocks niya. Ay, shit. Eh, yung time na remember mo, yung sa Hong Kong, hindi ko na binalikan kasi nga meron na nito. It was the same, it was just weeks apart lang eh. So di ko na binalikan yun sa Hong Kong kasi nga meron na ako na order dito sa Manila. The one in Hong Kong was around 13,000. I was ready to pull the trigger kahit na mas mahal siya sa retail, pero konti lang naman difference. Kasi sabi nga nila, this is going to be a limited release. I'm not sure if it's a limited edition. So, sabi ko, so hindi ko na binalikan yon. So, I was expecting this. So, nung minessage niya ako, na sorry, hindi na matutuloy yung mga orders, na-cancel yata yung stocks niya or wala nang dadating. Ay, nako. I messaged the one from Hong Kong. Wala na. Sold out na. Even anywhere you go, pati yung sa mga Japan sites na tinitingnan ko, lahat sold out. And if you're going to go and check na mga auctions, nagtaasan na yung presyo. It was 18,000, 19,000, 20,000. Tapos when my son and my wife went to Hong Kong also in July, after nga niya nabalitaan, sabi ko, can you just check? So pumunta nga sila, chinek nila. Almost 20,000 nga. May stock nga, pero 20,000. So sabi ko, wala. I'm not willing to pay double for it. So yun, wala na. As in, forgot about it. And the other day, while I was at the event, while I was in a photography event, my good friend, who's also mahilig sa watch, si Jason, messaged me. Sabi niya, uy, check mo yung Viber mo, I sent you something. Ako, ano kaya to? Tapos sinend niya, may link for Casio Philippines. They were releasing, online release only, of this watch. So, nandun ako sa event, lumabas ako. Did the online purchase, gamit ko yung phone ko lang Ang hirap para sa akin na malabong mata. I didn't bring my glasses. I did my whole transaction with just the phone. I ordered it. That was last week. And it's finally here. Yan, no? Yung mga Japanese pa na nakasulat. GA2100 MNT. I'm so excited now to see this. So the usual, the box comes with its international warranty card. The instructions manual. It's double box. So if you want to see the box. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Matching ba? Matching. Whew. And I ordered the blue kasi yung white, maganda rin yung white Ang problema ko dun sa white, I have other G-Shock na white. Pag tumatanda yung G-Shock na white, nag-yellow. Kaya sabi ko, if it's still not that obvious to you, my favorite color is blue. Kaya nga my Vespa is blue. Tapos meron pang red hint. So, blue Vespa, red Ducati, di ba? Now, I was saying that it's not really motorcycle related kasi nga, it's a watch. But, I will most likely be wearing this whenever I ride. I have the durability of the G-Shock. That's way waterproof pa. Oh, this is... Okay, the price is here. I paid 11,650. So it's slightly higher than the prices in Japan, but this is more manageable than the price in Hong Kong if I ordered from the store in Hong Kong during the time na nagpe-pre-sale siya. 11,650 Kaya sabi ko, pikit mata na talaga. Order ka agad. Sabi ko, hindi ko napapalampasin to. And within 1 day, the white was sold out. And then after 2 days, the blue was sold out. So, sorry na lang guys. If you guys are still wanting to buy this watch, hope that it will be restocked. But if they don't, wala na. Sold out na. This was an online exclusive. Kaya, malamang yung lahat na naghihintay, nagbilihan na. I didn't even see any post about it Kaya nga, I'm really grateful na yung friend ko, I guess he follows the Casio site because mahilig din siya sa G-Shock Sobrang siyang hilig din siya sa G-Shock tsaka sa mga Swatch. And of course, Seiko, pareho kami. Kaya buti na message na ako agad. And the blue was available. So, ayun. Ganda So, that's it, guys. So, swerte-swertehan lang talaga how I managed to get this. And I'm really, really thrilled. Ganda, Even the size is just right. Not too big, not too small. No? And, of course, you have the G-Shock na durability. So wala na akong tatakutan if I'm using it during my rides. Walang issue. Vibration, maulanan man ako. So guys, if you haven't, please don't forget to like and subscribe.